G'day everyone, I'm Wayne, Land and Bay Fishing. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've come down here to do another knots video. I did a knots video about probably 7 months ago, and it was a really good video. It's the FG knot done simply, without tension. A great knot, works really well, but that particular video I didn't put in much time at all. I just went into the shed, did the knot, and went back and uploaded it onto YouTube. So some of the knot was missed, and I'm getting a few comments saying I really wish I hadn't seen the whole knot. With the FG knot simplified, which is an FG knot done without tension. So that's what we're going to do today. Just to throw in an extra knot, I'm also going to do the uni to uni just to compare the two in size. So today's video, FG knot done easy, without tension, and the uni to uni knot. I'll adjust these cameras now so you can actually see the knot. Before I go, if you get anything out of these videos, make sure you hit that like button for me. Okay, we've got our braid. That's the main line. That's the line that'll come from your fishing rod. So there's the braid. We'll get some leader, chop it off. So there's our leader. We've got our leader. We cross our main line over the top of it and lock it in with your fingers. About a foot of tag for that one. So we go under and over on every alternation. There's the first one. We go under, feel the click and pull it in and back over. So that's a half, and the next one under from the main side, feel it click, back over. That makes one. So what we want to do now is about a dozen all up. We go under, over, under, over, under, over. It's a bit awkward here because I'm trying to keep my fingers in the line in the right spot for the lens. When you're doing it yourself, you don't have to worry about a lens. In a way more comfy position. Under, over, under, over. And with every one of them, I'm feeling it click into my fingers. That way I know it's nice and tight and it's pulling down. You can actually see this click and move jerky in a jerky motion. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Now, it's not important that you do 12, it's important that you do at least 12. So when you get to around that 10, 12 mark, have a look at it. You should be able to let go and you'll see it forming on the line. Now if you don't pull them tight, they'll be all gaps in there, and you know you'll need to do it again. But this one's alright, so I'll put my finger back there. This was the last one. So we go under, over, under, over. We'll do a few extra so you see the line that pulls in it. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. So once you've done that, you've still got your tag end sticking out there. You've got a nice twisted line up there. The premise of this is a bit like a Chinese burn. The harder you pull it, the tighter it gets. So we're ready to lock it off. So once you've got to this stage, you line up your main body of line and your tag end. And we want to lock it off with just half hitches. We'll do the first half hitch. Go around. Drop it back through. Now you can go through the front or the back. I normally go through the back. I'll put this one through the front. So we'll do more on the front. That's locked. Now, actually locking it off is less important than keeping tension and cinching them down as you go through your fingers. So we'll give this a little pull now. Even with just the one lock knot, the lock knot, like I said, doesn't do much other than just keep it secure. Now what I'll do one around just the tag end, come back through and lock that down there. Hopefully you'll be able to see that nice and close. Get the other tag end off. And there we have an FG knot completed without tension. Double uni knot. About 10 inches of tag on both, cross them over. Form a loop, and with your braid side, depending on the weight of your line, if the lighter line, do more loops. This braid here is 15-pound braid, and it's a 20-pound leader, so you only need probably 7 or 8 loops on this one. Then I hold this part here, I keep that in my fingers until it pulls down most of the way, if I can. Oh, I've put too many loops in this. There it goes. So you can see it pulling up together there. Then you lubricate and pull it down. Don't pull it too tight at this point, and then put that side in your thumb and your between your thumb and your forefinger. That's your tag in now. You do the loop. Now on the mono side, less loops than the braid. So I'll do 5 loops here. Pull that down. See it coming up, coming together. Cinch that just gently. Put it back the way we got it. So you can see the 2 knots there. Lubricate, and then they pull together. Now, this is also a very easy knot to tie, very good knot. There's nothing wrong with this knot. The only difference is if you're using small guides, this knot you're going to feel coming back through the guides. Just cut these tag ends off. Now you can see it's a shorter knot, but it's a much fatter knot. Let's have a look at them together. So the 2 knots side by side, you can see they're completely different shape. The FG knot is definitely a stronger knot. The FG knot you very rarely feel going in and out of your guides. Well, that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you got something out of this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. See you on the next video.